Good afternoon traders, it's the 29th of October and today I'd do a quick analysis of artificial intelligence trading opportunities in the Nasdaq 100 index. In view of the recent sell-off and correction in the market, I would think that there might be some new trading ideas from an AI perspective, and I'm going to run an artificial intelligence screen trying to find these trading opportunities. I've got the Nasdaq platform open. I click on the Power Console and here I've got the Fulgent AI Expert Advisor. This is the AI algorithms that will find trading ideas based on artificial intelligence, entirely computer generated trade signals. I select the Nasdaq 100 constituents, start the exploration, and the artificial intelligence is now going to look at hundreds and hundreds of thousands of different combinations in terms of technical indicators, etc., and come back with the best trading opportunities from an AI perspective in the Nasdaq 100. Okay. While this loads, if anybody wants more information on the AI, you can go to the website www.metastock.com/alphaharvestf, and if you click on that link, it will take you through to a page where you can get more information on the AI. If I can just drag that page across. Give me a second. Yeah, Fulgent AI, and you can scroll down and find a lot more information on the artificial intelligence engine that we're using. We're going to look for major market reversals, classic swing trades, quick 3-day moves, and volatility breakouts, and that's what the artificial intelligence expert advisor in Metastock does. Ed Downs is the man behind this AI invention, and he's been around the AI and artificial intelligence and high probability trading for a very long time, and you can get more information on that. But if you want some more information on the AI, go to metastock.com/alphaharvestf, and you can see the subscription rates there, and be sure to quote the promo code alphaharvestf for a good discounted deal on the AI. Alright, let's go back to the screen, see how far we are. The AI has now looked at about 60 out of 103 stocks. I've got a few more in the index constituents list, and it's now running through these stocks, looking for trading ideas based on those 4 artificial intelligence criteria. So what we're looking for is a major reversal, which is code 100, and a swing trade 104, volatility breakouts 105, and 106 a quick move. Now this will make sense in a second, as long as we can get the AI to finish this. So what sits behind this is the artificial intelligence engine, which now looks at multiple hundreds and thousands of different combinations of indicators and relationships in terms of price action to try and find the best trading opportunities based on its analysis, or the algorithms that the artificial intelligence have generated. Okay, so we've got about a few more shares to go in the screen. The screen's been running for about 2-3 minutes now, and we're almost there. The results is coming through now. Yeah, give it a second. There we go. So on this page now we have all the trades where we're in a long, and the one indicator number 1 there shows you where the AI is now in a long trade, and it used a lot of memory. If I can scroll down here, you can see I can do the top to bottom will be better. So these are all trades where the artificial intelligence has generated a long signal, and we can see how many bars ago this was. So some trades are old, but if you run this daily, weekly, you'll catch those trades right in the right time. But this is kind of a screen you can do on a weekly basis and find trading ideas. So now we're also going to just sort these bars from top to bottom to find the most recent trade ideas. That's the most, when the artificial intelligence has fired a signal most recently. So if we could just get back, there we go, and we can see there's one in a long. eBay is in a long, and if we just load the chart, you can see there's a volatility breakout before, and now there's a swing trade. So put eBay on your watch list to trade. eBay is identified from an AI perspective as a swing trade, and the other one is next one is Apple, also 2 bars into the trade, bars into the trade, so perfect timing for Apple trade. There's a swing trade there. If I can just zoom in a little bit, you can see there Apple's generated a nice swing trade, so the AI is back into Apple. Tesla also a swing trade there, so you can see historically Tesla's had a fantastic couple of buy signals there. Back here in March, had a buy signal, volatility breakout. The AI put the artificial intelligence generated stop loss in, and as the stock goes up, the stop loss gets adjusted upwards. So you can see there's your stop loss there at about 300 and something. 300, if it could just highlight on there, it's about 355, 360, and the entry point is in and around the current level. So the AI has identified this trade as 2 days old basically, but you can still get into it from an AI perspective, and we can see it's a swing trade, and that would be a 104 AI code. Dollar Tree, 5 days into the trade, but this is a short. You can see in a short, the one is in the short column there, so swing trade to the downside. So there's a potential short idea. But if we stick back to the long TripAdvisor, trip.com, 5 days into a trade, a bit of a risky one with the COVID risk, but certainly there's a swing trade, and the AI has generated the stop loss right here, just below, above 28, etc. And Fox Corp we highlighted last week as a trade. Marriott International also in a trade 7 days in. I would think that would probably be close to its stop loss. Yeah, there we go, still in a trade. Stop loss here is 85, so that trade is still, Marriott International still in a trade. So you can see, yeah, you can find trading ideas most recently, and if you sort this from top to bottom, we can see Broadcom has been in a trade for 156 days. If it would load, would help. Use a lot of computing power. We're not sure why it's not loading at the moment. There we go. NXP, semiconductors, you can see there once again, beautiful volatility breakout here at the bottom, and it just kept motoring ahead with trailing stop loss. So you're still in a trade, still long, and you can still actually trade that one. Western Digital, 153 bars into the trade. Also fantastic performance there. Volatility breakouts, moving sideways, still not hit the stop loss, and it's still in a long. Let's load Broadcom. If we scroll back, we can see huge volatility. There's been a few volatility breakouts that failed, but the third one's really worked out well. Motored ahead, stop loss got adjusted as we went on, and yeah, stop loss went on towards the end. So these are some of the trades. There's a few new ones, but certainly Apple and Tesla are the new ones on the block. Let me just sort them to go back to Apple, for example. Where's Apple? So we can see, going to be interesting to see if there will be a follow through in this, but there's a swing trade opportunity there, both in Apple and Tesla from an artificial intelligence trading perspective. Okay, until next time, happy trading using artificial intelligence. Cheerio, bye for now.